Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Search Console property verification via DNS TXT step-by-step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Google Search Console website. Log in with your Google account credentials. Select the option to add a new property. Choose the domain option for property type. Enter your domain name without www or http. Click the Continue button. You will see a prompt for verification methods. Select DNS TXT record as your verification method. Copy the TXT record provided by Google. Now, access your domain registrar's website. Log in to your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS management or DNS settings section. Find the option to add a new record. Select TXT from the record type menu. Paste the copied TXT record into the value field. Leave the hostname or name field blank or input at. Save the DNS record changes. It may take some time for DNS changes to propagate. Go back to the Google Search Console. Click the Verify button. Once verified, you will see a success message. You have now successfully authenticated your property via DNS TXT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.